What's up everybody? In this video I will be showing you how to send and receive the transaction of Ethereum using the Memefi coin. For that the process is very simple. All you have to do is to create a wallet in the wallet section of the Memefi coin. If you haven't created it, you can watch my other video, but if you have done it, so just follow this video till the end. So in the deposit section you can see that there are two different currencies. There can be Ethereum and Memefi. So for Memefi, what you guys can do is to go to the deposit section in order to deposit it. So if you want to deposit Memefi, but Memefi is not currently available for the transaction, so what you guys can do is go back to the Ethereum, and in the Ethereum just go to the deposit section. So how to do it, all you have to do is to go to the network and copy this address. So just tap on it and it will be copied. So what you have to do next is go to any network, any application, Binance, OKX, Bybit, Bitget, any sort of application that you want to continue with, and all you have to do is to go to the crypto section, go to Ethereum, then in the networks make sure that you select linear. So after that all you have to do is to paste this address. So once you do it, you can deposit any certain amount of Ethereum as you want. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.